What's up, everybody? It's Danny with 4Server Integration again, and we're about to install some Sonance invisible speakers. They call it IS8s. Now, why are they called invisible speakers? Well, because after this installation is done, these speakers will be completely hidden behind the drywall. So they will literally be invisible to the naked eye, but you will certainly be able to hear them. The audio quality on these are great. So what we've done already, as you can see, is we've already cut our opening, and it's a large opening for this particular one. And we've reinforced it here on the other side of the drywall with these wood pieces, 1x2s here and 2x4s on each side. And Steve is about to put some rock wool insulation in the wall underneath and above the space. And the reason for this is because rock wool is very good for soundproofing, and this is to help us soundproof the space somewhat so that we don't have a lot of sound escaping through the walls, especially into the other side, into another suite or into another space.
Also, I might add, the framing is important in this position here because the studs should be 16 inches across.
Yes.
These were 23.
That's a very good point. So we're installing this in a commercial space, and sometimes in commercial spaces, the studs are not 16 inches apart. Sometimes the studs may be, as Steve just pointed out, 24 inches apart. And so these 2x4s that we installed here and attached to the galvanized steel on one side, that is to give us the 16-inch space that we need so that the speaker is properly supported, because these invisible speakers do have a good bit of weight to them. And so you definitely have to have that. I'm glad you mentioned that, Steve. So this is part one. We're gonna give you part two in just a little bit, and you'll see exactly how this is gonna look.